In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gmail look like Outlook. If you prefer Outlook's side-by-side reading experience and tighter message list, you can get very close in Gmail with a couple of quick adjustments. We'll turn on a reading pane so emails open next to your inbox, and then we'll make the layout more compact so you see more messages at once. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. Once you're looking at your inbox, head to the upper right and click the Settings gear. That opens the Quick Settings panel, which is a fast way to customize how Gmail looks. At the top of that panel, select See All Settings. This takes you into the full settings area where we can change the layout that controls the reading pane. Along the top of the settings page, choose the Inbox tab. This is where Gmail lets you tailor how your inbox behaves and displays content. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Reading Pane. By default, Gmail shows messages in a single column, but the reading pane option lets you split the view so it behaves more like Outlook. Enable the reading pane by turning it on, then choose the option for right of inbox. This places the message content to the right of your message list, giving you that familiar, efficient two-panel workflow. After making that selection, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh to apply your new layout. When it comes back, you should see your message list on the left and the selected email opening on the right, so you can scan and read without losing your place. Next, let's match Outlook's denser feel. Click the Settings gear in the top right again to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for Density and choose Compact. This reduces extra spacing between messages and trims some visual padding, allowing more emails to fit on screen at once. It's especially helpful on laptops or when you manage a busy inbox. That's it. With the reading pane set to the right of your inbox and the density switched to compact, Gmail now mirrors the streamlined Outlook experience. Quick scanning on the left, full message view on the right, and minimal wasted space. These changes make triaging faster, replying more immediate, and navigating threads more natural, all without leaving your inbox view. If you ever want to tweak or undo these adjustments, just return to the same menus and settings. For now, enjoy your Outlook-style Gmail and take advantage of the added speed and focus that this layout brings to your day. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.